Hey guys, welcome to another video of The Simple Chef. Today we're going to make something super easy and simple and be ready in 15 minutes. Chicken larb in lettuce cups. So, let's begin. So to start off with the ingredients guys, over here I have shallots, coriander, ginger, chicken mince, freshly cracked pepper, trust me it makes a big difference in food, lettuce which we're going to turn into lettuce cups, salt, garlic, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, lime, brown rice which is going to take its place as just the white rice to make sure it's healthier, chilli, mint, and then over here a nice mix of peanut oil, fish sauce and coconut sugar. So to begin, what we're going to do is slice the white bit of the shallot, and then later once you do that, use the green bit, slice it as thin as possible and then chop it up a little bit more. Once you've sliced the white part of the shallot, next take your ginger, take the skin off and finally chop that as well. Now once that's done, I'm going to do the same with the kaffir lime leaves. What I'll be doing with the kaffir lime leaves is I'll be cutting them into nice individual strips. Add in your brown rice and your water. Now to this, what you're going to do is add in your white shallots, your ginger and your kaffir lime leaves, and add in a bit of salt at the same time. So once that's done, bring the water to a really high boil and boil it for about good 5 minutes. And once that's done, bring it to a simmer on a very low heat, cover it and let it just cook away till there's no bite to the rice. Now if there's still a bite, what you can do is add some more water and let it cook. Now once that's done, add in your green shallot and give it a good nice mix through, and you can also remove the kaffir lime leaves if you want to. But there you go, that's the rice component done for the larb. Now I'm going to really dice up the chilies for the larb and cut it into really tiny bits. Then with the lemongrass, you have two options over here. You can either cut it along the line and then cut it into just strips, because I will be taking them out later. Or if you really want to keep the lemongrass in your larb, you can dice them up quite finely and just mix it through with the chicken. Then finally, I'm just going to roughly chop up the kaffir lime leaves, because these are something you'll be taking off, so keep them in big chunks. Also, what I'm going to do is just press it down slightly just to bruise them so all those amazing kaffir lime leaf flavors will flow through your chicken. Now for the garlic, I'm just going to peel the outside skin, and then I'm going to chop it up finely. Now what we're going to do is the most essential bit. Now we're going to separate the lettuce leaves. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to take off the most outer leaves, which are really soft and you can just eat them with some peanut butter like I actually do all the time. It's actually amazing, guys. And then what I'm going to do is just cut off the end of the lettuce bunch. So the end will actually loosen up all the leaves. It'll be much easier for you to pull apart without tearing all the leaves. Now taking a non-stick pan, add some sesame oil or peanut oil, whatever oil you have at hand. And to this, I'm going to add my garlic, kaffir lime leaves, and a bit of the chilli. Once you've added all your ingredients, then just saute it around for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get all those amazing flavors into the oil. And then to this mix, you'll be adding your chicken mince. Now the chicken mince can be a little bit difficult to work with compared to beef mince, so take your time and break it apart in the oil, and as it's cooking, just keep mixing it around and pulling apart the big chunks of chicken that's being cooked. Now, if you would like to take out your pieces of lemongrass, that's what I'm going to do over here. But if you've diced it up, just leave it in there because as it cooks through, it gets really soft and you can easily eat it. But I still don't like it in my chicken, so I'm just going to take the big pieces of lemongrass that I've cooked through. And then finally, to the chicken, I'm going to add my soy sauce and sugar mixture and cook it through for another 3 to 5 minutes till it gets thick. So guys, this is where the fun begins. Now you can take all the ingredients you've made to the table and everyone can do it there while you have a nice jolly good time, or you can do it with the kids and get them to make dinner because it's such an easy recipe to put together at the end. So over here what I'm going to do is I'll be putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of the cooked brown rice into the lettuce. And then onto the top, I'll be putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chicken. Now you can change the quantities around, so you can either put more chicken and less rice, or more rice and less chicken, whatever you would like. I usually like to go for equal amounts of chicken and rice. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to put a sprinkle of the mint and coriander, some of the chili, and then a nice squeeze of the lemon juice on the top. Now, there's 2 ways of serving this. You can either serve it just open like this, or what I would like to do sometimes is actually turn it into nice little parcels. So I'll bring one side in, the other side, and then close it over and wrap it up. How easy was that, guys? An easy, healthy parcel to eat. Now keep repeating till you use up all the ingredients, and this will be ready for a quick and easy dinner when you come from a long day after work. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to comment, like, share, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button for more easy 15-30 minute recipes. Let me know how this recipe goes, and take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.